Hi, my name is Kayleigh, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to mount your fuse block bracket into your truck. First I'm going to show you how to mount your fuse block to the bracket, and then I'm going to show you how to install the bracket into your truck. Okay, so to start off with, you're going to need 2 bolts and 2 nuts from your hardware kit. You're going to take your fuse block, and you're going to line it up with the top of the T facing this part of the bracket right here. And you're just going to go ahead and slide those in. I need to go ahead and strip away some of the insulation. Okay, so now I stripped away the insulation on my wiring, and I can go ahead and insert it into my fuse block. And then I want to take my Allen wrench and go ahead and tighten it down. Make sure I'm keeping a little bit of pressure on there to keep it inside. Now as I'm tightening it, I want to make sure I wiggle it a little bit, because you're always going to be able to tighten it a little bit more, and you want to do that 2 or 3 times, because if it's not secure, that can cause a lot of problems. Okay, so next I'm going to be removing this bolt right here so I can install my bracket right there. Okay, so to remove this nut right here, I'm going to need a 12mm deep socket and then an extension as well. Okay, so now I can go ahead and slide my bracket onto where that nut was, and then I can go ahead and place my nut back on. And now, just making sure my bracket is straight, I can go ahead and tighten it. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and connect my amp power wire to my fuse block. Go ahead and remove my plastic cap and put that in a safe place. And now I'm going to go ahead and strip away about a 1/2 inch of insulation on this one as well. Go ahead and insert my power wire all the way, making sure to keep pressure while I tighten it with my Allen wrench. Okay, so now I can go ahead and tighten it up completely. Make sure you wiggle this one as well 2 or 3 times to make sure it is in there completely secure, because again, that can cause some major issues. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and take my 100 amp fuse from my kit, and I'm going to insert it right here into my block. And now I can go ahead and tighten those up. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and triple check all of my connections, because it is very important that all of them are nice and tight. Okay, so this wire is going to be connecting right here, so you can shorten it if you would like. Also, I'm not going to make my final connection until I'm ready to power up my system.